Hey guys, Jignesh Jain here. I'm back with another video for our Note 10 Plus. Yeah, it's for Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Samsung has just dropped the One UI version 2.1 for our Note 10 Plus. This was previously on One UI 2.0. There is just a slight minor version change, but the changes that is made inside the hood are too much. So no, Android version has not been changed, but there is so much of changes. I'll completely make this video for this, and I think video would be more than 10 to 15 minutes. So please stay till the end so that you get to know all the feature changes that has been made in this particular version. So before moving forward, I'll like to wish you happy Mahavir Jayanti. As you all know, today is Mahavir Jayanti. May the teachings of Mahavir is remembered by mankind for forever. So yeah, happy Mahavir Jayanti. Let's move forward. First of all, I'll like to tell you what are the change logs. So as you can see, this version number has been changed and AR emoji has been added. New features in camera, gallery has been changed, and Samsung keyboard has been changed. So let's move to the first thing first. We'll go to the camera right now. So in camera, you see the new single with this single take, you can just get all the things in a single photo. It will capture meaningful moments with a single thing. So now, as I have made the single take, you can see what has been done with this. So you have a live focus photo, a color photo, a video, a short video, and the photo. So yeah, if you are not sure what you want to click, make a video or a photo, you can just use this single take photo. Yeah. Other than that, live focus video is same. Nothing has been changed here. As you can see, everything is available which was available previously. In the live focus also same thing was available. Now the major thing that has been changed are AR zone. So in AR zone, as you can see, there are new things added into AR zone: AR camera, AR doodle, AR emoji stickers, and AR 3D scanner. So without wasting the time, let's get into the AR zone. So for AR zone, let's first click on AR emoji. So you can see the emojis have flashed up. Now first, before making any emojis, we'll have to make the things. So in the things, I'll like to make an AR emoji of my son first of all. So it's making an emoji. Let's see what does it create.
Yeah.
Out.
Hello.
So he made him a girl. No, he is not a girl, he's a boy. So let's change the things. Maybe I had made a mistake backward. I have not selected the proper thing. Let's make once again. So let's select the correct thing right now.
Yes. Yes. Mine. Yes. Yes.
So he's happy to see his emoji right now.
Yes.
Correctly. So he made a correct emoji of my son right now.
Hello.
Now you can change the things here. If you want to change the
Boy.
if you change to here, if you want to change the hairs and all.
My hair.
What is your hair, man?
Hair. Yeah.
How is your hair, man?
Huh?
How is your hair?
Yeah.
This one, no, this is incorrect. So yeah, you can change the hairs right now. So I'll select this one.
Not phone. Yes, no. Yes, no.
So you can select the hairs and all from here itself.
Yes.
So let's once again, I'll make this emoji for him. Let's see what does it do right now.
Tortoise.
So let's see what he makes right now.
Papa.
So again he got into the things. He's been converted to girl in the emoji. Maybe Samsung is on the weed right now. Let's make once again.
Patty.
So let's see right now. What does it makes? It's cause of his shabby hairs right now, I think so. I don't know when the lockdown will be open and I'll go for his haircut.
No lockdown. Hello.
Maybe whatever. You can just change the hairs from here.
No. Yeah.
So the perfect emoji is right now here. Let's move forward. You can see you can change the facial hair and everything. Face, eyes, eyebrows, everything can be changed. Nose, lips, ears, freckles and moles.
Yes.
So yeah, there is more customization right now. You can change the eyeshadow, blush and lips. This is the new thing that has been added. For the clothes, there are few more clothes added right now. Few of the outfits has also been added. Bottoms, shoes, etc. Now in the shoes you have a new feature wherein you can just change the color of shoes too. So yeah, that's a great thing right now. You can change the color of the shoes you want to, but that would need a more download for the things. But yeah, this is the things that can be added right now. You can even change the colors of your glasses and earrings and all. So many of the things has been changed here. Keep an eye on this particular feature so you can get many of the benefit of this. Okay, now this is what I have created. I will just select the next right now so that we can go ahead and have some emoji play right now. So it has created the emojis for playing. So all done. Just need to click on done. All done. Now
Frog.
let's see it in action. So as you can see, it's in action right now. How is it, man? Good. So yeah, you can also add other things if you want to in the emojis from this scene also scene itself. But many of the thing has been changed in this too.
Yes.
There is a mask, there is a mirror, there is play. So in play, what you can do is
Play.
you can play with the emojis.
Left.
This can be termed as AR ground itself.
Yes.
There is a mirror that will do as you want, as in
Hello.
it will copy your actions basically. Then there is a mask, which you all know, it will mask the face. Then there is a scene wherein you can change the backgrounds. So yeah, this is all related to the emojis right now. Moving forward, there are emoji stickers too, which you can see here.
Yeah.
Other than that, you already have this all things, 3D scanner and all. Now let's move forward to the next change that has been made. That is the change in home screen itself. Yeah. Now you can see that the Bixby has been renamed to the Samsung Daily. Yeah, Bixby is renamed to Samsung Daily. It's basically the same thing, same UI, but it has been changed as Samsung Daily instead of Bixby. If you want to enable that, you can do that in the things. Okay. Next thing that has been changed, and I see this is a big change and very best UI change, that is in display. As you can see, the dark mode setting has been shifted to the that has been shifted here to the upside and not as just a toggle button. You can now change dark mode and light mode from just a click away from here. So yeah, this is a UI change, but the main features remains the same. The UI has been changed a bit. So the another change that has been seen in this One UI 2.1 is in font style and zoom. As you can see, the font size, the settings has got some more features. There was less sections for this, like the changing sections, so it has been changed right now. Other than that, in screen zoom also, instead of just 1, 2 and 3 bar, we have now 5 times zoom options. So basically the major option and the lower option is same, but you have now options to select in between of that. So you can set your sweet spot here. two more things have been added here. One is music share, from where you can share your music to the other Bluetooth speaker or the friend's phone from directly from here itself. So yeah, it would let you share your music on your friend's phone or on your the Bluetooth any other Bluetooth speaker. So this is the great idea when you are on party or somewhere. Other than that, there is a quick share which let you share your Samsung phones documents or musics to other Samsung phone that is also on One UI 2.1 with a great speed. Yeah, the speed with the quick share would be highest speed that you can get for sharing the documents inter sharing, I mean to say. So other than that, the changelog also mentioned keyboard has made some changes, but I am unable to find what changes actually keyboard has got. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you to get the details about this One UI 2.1. If you have got the update, go ahead and flash that, and if you haven't yet, you will be receiving it soon in your batches, in some of the batches. And this update will also hit on Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus. So wait for that, and you will be able to flash it on your phone. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, just subscribe it and like this video if it has helped you anyway. So that's it, guys. Take care.